Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Niamul, your senior tracking engineer and conversion specialist. Is your marketing data lying to you? Many businesses lose critical conversion data between GA4 and Google Ads. Broken WordPress setups, untracked GHL forms, and missed phone calls are costing you money and scaling opportunities. That is why I offer emergency attribution audits to find exactly where your conversions are leaking. I start with a deep audit of your entire tracking architecture, including URL parameters and GTM triggers. I specialize in GHL workflows and fixing poorly documented issues like offline conversion reporting. I ensure your call tracking, including Google Ads extensions, is perfectly synced for calls over 120 seconds. If out-of-the-box integrations fail, I build custom programmatic alternatives to keep your data flowing. My goal is 99% data precision by bypassing ITP, iOS restrictions, and ad blockers. We move your business from the primitive era of messy data into the modern era of server-side success. With accurate tracking, you can finally measure, optimize, and scale your campaigns with total confidence. I have helped businesses generate millions in revenue by turning raw data into actionable insights. If you need an expert who works backwards from your goals and delivers fast results, I am ready today. Message me on WhatsApp or book a call at mdniamul.com. All links are in the description. Alhamdulillah, I look forward to engineering your data precision. Thank you for watching.